Hello everyone, I'm Daniele, the data engineer at Cassandra. Handling data, as we all know, can be quite challenging, especially when dealing with information from multiple platforms. At Cassandra, we believe in simplifying this process to make it more straightforward and intuitive. That's why we are excited to present you with this new feature, which for now is available for every type of user in Cassandra. Now, let's dive in and see what it's all about. Once we have created our project, we want to connect our data. All you need to do is navigate to collect data, upload CSVs. You will be redirected to this page where you'll find all the CSV files you have uploaded. Let's add a new one by clicking on add the new CSV. Now you'll find these two links. One will take you to an example of the required data and provide demo CSVs for download. Let's download them, okay? The second one contains guidelines on how the CSV file should be structured. Only CSV files are accepted. The file should be structured with dates distributed across rows, invalid characters, and aggregated rows or columns is not allowed. Okay, let's upload, let's say, Google Ads data. And let's proceed with filling in all the required informations. We have to give the decimal separator, the date column, and the format of the date. We can extract this information by checking our data by clicking on this icon. So we see that our decimal separators are actually the dots. Our date column are the day column, and the date are structured by year, hyphen month hyphen day. So decimal separator dot date column day and date format year hyphen month hyphen day. This is actually right. If you're not sure about what is the correct date format to enter, you can check the pandas format by clicking on this icon, and you can enter the correct date format. For the CSV structure section, that's all. Let's move on to the transformation section, where you can choose how to transform your data. You can choose to fill the empty values of the specific column with the value above, or you can replace, let's say, the dollar symbol on a specific column with an empty string. We press next. And we can see a summary of our transformations. We don't need this, so I uncheck this. Okay, let's enter the name of the platform. So let's enter Google Ads, and then we press send. Done. Nice. Okay, now we can check our data by clicking on this icon or this. And just to give you another example, I will add a new CSV. So let's add Facebook CSV. Okay, so we need the decimal separator, date column, and date format. We check our data, and we see that the decimal separator is the dot, date column is the day column, and the date format is year hyphen month hyphen day. So decimal separator dot date column day, and the format is actually right. We don't need any transformations, so we enter the name of the platform, Facebook, and then we press send. Done. Okay, we will be redirected to the upload CSVs page, and we can see our list of our CSVs that we have uploaded. Once we have uploaded all the CSV that we need to create our dataset, we can create it by clicking on this or on this button. We will be redirected to the Data Explorer page. On this page, we can find our dataset automatically generated with all the data that we have connected, and we can edit our dataset. What we can do is hide columns, so we can hide the columns that we don't want to see in our dataset. Join columns allows you to aggregate multiple columns into one. Let's say you're doing affiliate marketing through multiple channels and you want to look at it as a whole variable in your media mix. Just upload each export separately and use Cassandra to join them together. We can split columns, so let's say you want to split your Facebook columns in your dataset for campaigns. You can do this, and you can rename the columns. Now, let's say we want to update our data with new data. All we have to do is navigate to Upload CSVs, choose our CSV that we want to update. So we update Facebook data. Okay, let's upload our CSV with Facebook updated data. I precompiled this just to give you an example. The data you can upload can either be entirely new, or you can upload a CSV with the data from previous upload along with the new ones. Only the new data will be added. So let's check the required information. Decimal separator dot, date column day, the date format is right. We don't need any transformation, so we press send. Done. Okay, now our data has been updated. So you can identify the newly uploaded data from the previous one using the insertion BQID. The first insertion is labeled as 0, the second as 1, and so on. If you notice that your data is incorrect and you want to undo the previous insertion, you can click on the revert button and choose which insertion you want to revert to. Let's say you want to revert to the first insertion. So 0, you have the date of the insertion, and we click yes, revert, done. And now we can check our data revert to the first insertion. For this feature, that's all. I hope you like it. Please continue to provide your feedbacks as it is incredibly valuable for us and helps us constantly improve. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.